Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, July 21st. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And after strong trend days yesterday in all three of these indices, we are still pushing towards the upper end in SPY. We're in the upper distribution. At one point we were looking to gap higher. Right now that doesn't seem to be the case, but there's still 75 minutes to go. Russell right now still above yesterday's high. And as you can see, triple Qs, which have, now again, I'm in 8s. I got to see how wide this POC was, but in the upper distribution, did a lot of trading, but right now into their first set of single prints. So here's the question for us. Which trend day gets taken back first? Is it yesterday's to the downside, or do we finally get into the 16th and fill those and start attempting to go to the all-time high at some point? Right now, pre-market volume, 440,000, so not bad with 75 minutes to go. Hopefully we'll do close to at least 1 million. Let's go over destinations and a game plan. So right now, on the upside, our first destination is 432.42, which is yesterday's high. Then we have single prints, 432.43, which get filled at 56 cents. Then we have the other set of single prints, 432.84, get filled at 93. And that's kind of my line in the sand. I know ES doesn't have singles, but that's where change took place on the 16th at D's low. Not coincidentally, right above that is our overnight high of 433.31. And then the last set of single prints, 434.24, get filled at 92 cents. And then you should have the highest accepted price and that daily high. For the downside right now, we have 430.95, which is our pre-market low right now, overnight low. Then we have our three sets of single prints. I gave them all to you last night. I'm not going to go over them again, so listen to last night's video, because let's go over what's more important, and that's the game plan for today. So right now, again, whether it's now or when we open at 9:30, we're trading right now in the upper distribution. We had a triple distribution yesterday. I's low to the day's high is the upper distribution. D's high to basically, I would use E's low as the middle distribution, and then B's high to the day's low is the last distribution. We had a huge buy tail, 300 points, $3 worth. So right now, buyers, look, we said after a day like yesterday, consolidation is the norm. So we'll see if we're going to get some consolidation early on. No problem if that's the case for the bulls. They would certainly like to stay inside the upper distribution, but at best inside the middle. You don't want to start getting acceptance back into the lower distribution from yesterday. So if you fill one set of single prints and you find buyers again in the middle distribution, that's fine to get some consolidation. Right here where we're trading right now, there really is no play. Even against yesterday's high, the overnight high is still almost $1 higher than that. If you want to fade yesterday's high, or better yet, you want to take a short before yesterday's high and out above it, because if you get above it, you still have $1 to test the overnight high. That's one possible short play now and or at 9:30. And again, if we do get above yesterday's high, you can see if they want to front run the overnight high also, because that's at a very visual area, which is D's low from the 16th. So those are two short plays. As far as a call play, we come down. We either hold the lower end of the upper distribution, or you fill the single prints in E and you hold E's low. I don't mind taking a call play. Yes, it'll be in value, in balance, but at least it's against something where there were buyers yesterday. You start getting acceptance below E's low, I'm out. Even though you have those other set of single prints, I would rather wait to see what happens towards the lower end of the or the middle end of the lower distribution. So again, early game plan. And then on the chart, we'll just show you the daily for now. So we're back in balance. Monthly is up. Weekly is balance. Daily is balance. If we take out yesterday's high, we'll be back to up. If we have an inside day and there's a chance for an inside day. We'll see. Well, then that's still balance. And if we take out yesterday's low for now, it would still be balance for right now. Just under 100 million shares yesterday, so still pretty good volume. We should get some pretty major chop inside of yesterday's range as they try to consolidate and find which distribution they want to trade in, at least for the morning. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.